In today's episode, 2016 Dodge Charger, Audi SQ7 Premium Plus, Subaru Crosstrek, theft recovery Ford Explorer ST, Nissan Pathfinder Platinum, brand new Ford F-150 King Range, rare find Cadillac Brougham, Subaru WRX with no damage, amazing color combo Chevrolet Corvette, last but not least Lamborghini Urus. What's up everyone, my name is Andre and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. And today I handpicked 10 lots from insurance or auctions that I want to share with you. And I'm gonna start with my favorite Dodge Charger Scat Pack. You ready? Let's go! And I'm gonna start with my favorite 2016 Dodge Charger. Let's take a closer look at this vehicle. So it has the primary damage, undercarriage and vandalism. And it might be, what's the vandalism? Is it a theft recovery vehicle? So that's what I thought originally. But you see this matte black color? Actually, it's not original. I thought it's a wrap, but actually, let's look at the door jamb. You see this overspray? It seems like it's a paint. So it's not really a wrap. Somebody just painted the color, and I believe painted it with the spray can. Can you imagine? So that's probably the vandalism. The car is supposed to be white, pearl white color, and it's vandalized with this spray. So what you can do in this case? So first, the cheapest one is to wrap it in any color that you want. That's gonna cost you around $2,000-3,000. Another way, you can keep it as is if you like this matte black finish, or you can paint it any color you want. Mako is calling. Otherwise, it's 46,000 miles. It comes with Kentucky salvage certificate, retails for over $33,000, and I believe this car you can get around $17,000, which is 50% of its retail value. For $17,000, I would drive this car with the spray can paint. Who cares? Check this car out. It's gonna be for sale on May 25th in Kentucky, Arlington location. Next, I have 2022 Audi SQ7 Premium Plus. It comes with minor dents and scratches, meaning no major damages. It's a theft recovery vehicle and it's won't start. So this car doesn't start and it doesn't drive. What's the reason? No keys. So you need to buy this car, move it directly to Audi dealership, program the key, and that's it. SQ7 is top of the line Q7 SUV, and this one looks beautiful. I like the stitching on the seats, black interior, big screens, carbon fiber trims, 8,000 miles on this one. This is cool. It's a V8 engine, pretty much the same engine that goes into Lamborghini Urus, and it's beautiful blue color outside. I think the window needs to be replaced, so it's broken since it's a theft recovery vehicle, but otherwise this car is top of the line. Price wise, we don't know the price because the auction didn't mention it. I checked Cars.com and the cheapest SQ7 that I could find was around $80,000. So for this one, expect to pay around $50,000. It's a premium car. There's going to be lots of bidding all over the country and all over the world. So $50,000 still saves you $30,000 on this beauty. This one is going to be for sale on May 23rd in Virginia, Hampton location. Next, I have a very nice 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Premium trim. It's a normal wear tear theft recovery vehicle with no damages, and it's my favorite. You buy the car, you pick it up, and you can drive it, and that's it. I mean, just TLC, oil change, maybe something else, but used car, and you can save up to 50% on it. So it has 25,000 miles, salvage certificate, no damages on this car at all. Very nice interior. It's a premium trip, so top of the line, big screen, heated seats, everything you need for daily driver. And it's a Subaru. It's all-wheel drive car, amazing engine. Everything is great about this car. The retail price is $24,000. I expect this car to be around $12,000. So if you interested in the Subaru Crosstrek, go to carsfromwest.com. It's going to be for sale on May 23rd in Nebraska location. 2020 Ford Explorer ST, top of the line, sport trim, no damages. Again, it's a theft recovery vehicle. Somebody stole the car, then it was recovered, and you get a used car for 50% discount. Modern interior, big screen, automatic transmission, leather seats. I mean, all bells and whistles, pretty powerful 3.0 turbo engine. Wow, low mileage, and you see somebody tried to remove the VIN from the windshield. Price-wise, retails at $41,000. I estimate this car to be around 50% of its retail value, so expect to pay $20,000. If you like it, it's going to be for sale on May 24th in New Jersey location. Go check it out. Top of the line platinum trim on this 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. It comes with a minor rear end damage. You can see it right here, top of the line. It has leather seats, big, oh look at these leather seats, just wow. What is it, like peanut butter color, big screen, automatic transmission, different mode switch. Wow, just looking at this car, it's like a Range Rover. 4,611 miles, very low mileage on this beauty. So it's taken apart, rear seats, because the insurance company tried to find damage on this car to write it off, I guess. But the good part, all the parts from the back right here, and it's going to be inside the car when you purchase it. The retail price on this beauty is over $50,000. I expect around 40-50% of its retail value for this car, so expect to pay $20,000. If you like this Nissan Pathfinder, it's going to be for sale in New Orleans location on May 24th. Next, I have brand new, and I mean it, brand new, 132 miles. That's it. It's a 2023 Ford F-150 King Range. Look at this beauty. What's the damage? Storm damage. You see the rear window is broken. I don't know what happened, but they say it's a storm damage. Maybe this car was at the dealership when something happened. So maybe strong winds, something fell on this car. I'm not sure. So you need to replace windows on this car for sure. But interior is brand new, very modern, very nice, brand new car, and you can buy it for 50% of its retail value. Retail value is $60,000, so expect to pay around $28,000 for this car. This is going to be in Mississippi location on May 25th. And we sell boats, different sizes, different kinds, like this 2007 Sera Boat. And if you don't like this specific boat, you can always go to Vehicle Finder, search by vehicle type, and click boat. Currently we have 465 different boats to choose from. I bet you're gonna find something to your likings. And we also sell bikes, like this 2007 Harley-Davidson. You can see 360 degrees photos of this beauty. And if you're not a fan of Harley-Davidson, and for example you want a sports bike, go to Vehicle Finder, search by vehicle type, and click motorcycle. At this moment we have 2,517 different bikes to choose from, and many of them have this green button, meaning you can buy it right away. Buy it now. Oh, what I found! 1983 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. It stated only 2,254 miles. I cannot verify this mileage is actually true, because this car is actually exempt mileage, but otherwise it seems like a time capsule. It needs some TLC, it needs some work, but it's a great project, and this car needs to be saved. Usually when it's such a low mileage, you try to see how this car been used. Is it heavily used? Can you see the seats torn apart, or the wheel torn apart, or for example the pedals completely gone? I see the seats in pristine condition. The only downside, you see the steering wheel. It might be the age, it might be the use, not sure, but it's still amazing car. I really like the back seats. It's just like a sofa in a car. This car becomes extremely popular nowadays, and they worth lots of money. I've done like a quick search at cars.com and I see Cadillac Brougham like this 1990 is for $25,000. Some cars with $13,000, $14,000, 15.5. So this car, if you can buy it extremely cheap, and the seller reserve on this one is just $400. If you fix it, get it to great condition, you can definitely sell it in mid-teens. And I try to check the mileage with the VIN Doctor, and I also run Carfax, but no mileage statement I could find. You can go inspect it, or you can trust the mileage and accept just 2,000 miles on it. Very interesting project. If you buy it, let me know. I definitely want to follow up on this beauty. This is going to be for sale on May 26th in Michigan, Portland location. 2022 Subaru WRX Premium. Again, theft recovery damage, 2.4 turbo engine, nothing is wrong, beautiful car, beautiful condition, amazing car, used car that you can buy at 50% discount. All-wheel drive, manual stick, wow, many beautiful seats and huge screen. Wow, this is pretty nice. 8,000 miles on this car, and the price wise it retails for $32,000, and I can confirm it. I checked used car listings, so this car is around $30,000, and reserve price on this one $14,800. So if you get the car at $15,000, you get yourself 50% discount. This is going to be for sale in Minnesota on May 23rd. Check this one out. Next, amazing 2022 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT, yellow color. Wow, what a beauty, and it has no damage. Another great find. It's a used car with no damages, theft recovery vehicle, which is just wow. Interior, everything is amazing about this American supercar. Very low mileage on this beauty, 8,700 miles. Perfect car for errands or for weekend driving. You know the best part about this car? It comes with clean certificate of title, so expect to pay around 70% of its retail value, around $60,000, because it's a used car with clean title and it's just amazing buy. So if you're interested, check this one out for sure. It's gonna be for sale on May 24th in Southern Carolina. And last but not least, 2020 Lamborghini Urus, one of the most popular premium sports crossovers on the market, and it's getting more affordable. Retail price is $245,000. It used to be over $300,000 just recently, and since it's a salvage certificate with a damage, you can get this car under $100,000. But check the beautiful interior of this car. Lime seats, lime wheel. This one has very nice options, and I personally like this beauty a lot. So if you're looking for Lamborghini Urus, you want to save yourself $100,000, that's the perfect car to buy. This one is going to be for sale in California, Gardena location on May 25th. What a beautiful Lamborghini Urus. Let me know what's your favorite from today's episode in the comments below. And I'm finished, I'm done. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you're looking to buy insurance car, you do not have a dealer license, carsfromwest.com is your friend. We have free registration, both auctions, insurance or auction and corporate, one deposit, and you can bid as many times as you want. My name is Andre, I'm with carsfromwest.com, and I'll see you next week. Cheers, guys.